I've done it.
Action.
Action.
It's me, I'm playing my new block.
Your new blue microwave.
My new blue microwave.
Yeah.
I'm playing block. I'm taking a shower.
I'll go to that side so I can see you properly.
Okay. That's me, I'm watching my new microwave. And you.
That's it, you've done it.
It's me, I'm watching my new guy. Can you know?
Alright, looks like a good one, Liz. And it's blue.
And blue.
Yeah, okay.
Go.
Heavy, isn't it? Before you've actually used it, do we? Side then. That's it. Oh,
My hand's shaking.
what a lovely microwave.
Look at
Do you want to open the door? You need to take all that out as well. Yeah, thank you. That's good. And you need, that's it. You've got the little wheels at the bottom, haven't you? Put down in a minute. Mm-hmm. Right, where are you going to plug it in?
Into my conditioning.
Mm-hmm. Is it on properly? Yay, that's it.
Okay.
What do you think then?
Okay. Turn that now. Just my little brush here.
Yeah.
And just move this now. Yeah.
Right, so there'll be no hitting it because you'll break it, won't you? Yeah, it's a nice blue one and it's a swan. Called Swan, yeah. You alright there? Can you manage? Do you want me to have a look? Okay. You've done it right. I really think all these things should be plugged into the mains rather than an extension lead on the side.
Exactly.
Yeah. I'll have a look at that tomorrow. Right. Plug it in. Oh, and it's blue.
That's blue. Okay. We'll take that, right? So that's me. Starting up and also when it connects with the microwave right now, okay? So take
And the power goes on.
That's what it on, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you can grab that and when it connects with the microwave, so 3, 2, 1, start now. And click.
Yay!
And blue,
Oh, I love
blue.
it. That is blue, yeah.
Blue. And here get blinking.
So how do you set the clock?
Check my instructions.
Yeah, check the instructions.
Okay.
I think it says clock there, look.
Oh, just a clock.
Yeah, so that no, you've got it on clock. It's pointing to clock. So now I think you probably just have to turn that one. No, you don't press it. You turn that one.
Look.
Oh, you do press it. Okay. Silly me.
What's it now?
What's the time now? It's 16:17.
16:17.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
There you go.
Let's get looking. Okay.
That's it. That's the clock then. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that's yeah.
Yeah.
Does the energy or how does it work? Look.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Yeah, grab.
It is, isn't it? But you mustn't run it empty, must you?
The red is what or the energy red. Look.
Yeah. I better go and get your eye drops, Lucy.
The question is not because
Let's have a look.
it's energy red.
Ah, look at that. There you are, you can film it now. Look.
In the circle, not just off. This is my brand new blue Swan with the blue digital camera top. It's the blue record and I'm the new McLean. And that is not looking ten. Okay. And so, one, this is brand new blue McLean. And the Swan, that is the same. Okay. So, from 20 going, okay, so, technically, instructing the new markers and going to select, making sure update to my intention. So, 3, 2, 1, stop, and click. Click on. Hit again. Okay. And get your set time. Turn clock now, okay? Then get your clock here. And then get your train. And you get your here. Get here. Okay, so 12. Yeah. Go. And something go. Then what's that? That's the new glass can go. And then open it here, get the three nowhere else, get down the cannon is like this, and then open the car, and click that, and then it's here, and get the right on the corner here, click it, and as it tells something go, and went on, and just it go, and then, ready, and then run. Against yourself and walk. Okay. Back again. Mga kaya ng halagpas into when you put my case. And so form. And so again, well, job time of course. It's the new form with the stuff. Yeah, and so on high now, so on high side. Okay, then high. Sorry. Click pause, click stop, click stop, pause, click go, and click one, go. Okay, done. Okay, done. Okay, so there's my brand new marker today start up, and then connect, and marker from to my interesting on top there. Now, some good tips, yes, also, okay. So then put in now, okay. And also to put my hand to again of my game, but it's still, good. When I take the market box into my display, I said let the A mention until according to go. And so, and we go camera cost generated blue markers plus one. So from the go, I got it until the market got the clock. So control from here come to route come metal dial again on high capacity and the time again down here. Then camera having go till the second length and then check out till 10 minutes go. Okay, stop. Okay, till when it's now blinking on, I can stop. And you can go and will the clock when check out 10 go. Today one time. It's going to say with me. Grounding go. Pull out for the gun. It's my gun. It's not a circle. any gloves and take my clean go here. And give my sock. Okay. Okay. Please and please enjoy using many markers once more from 100% smoke. From 100% smoke. Come on, to see. You can be in a start to see. Okay. Cheers. Now, how we get to it, I'm going to show just dry and cook. Time, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Enjoy. Enjoy. Good. Here's my brand new blue McQueen. My dog blue cock. Now it's here. Taking the bread until okay. Okay, don't kill. Enjoy. This is just my warm water. Like that. Okay. Okay, everyone. That's the end, guys. That's it, now blue from my clothes. Blue to cook. You can take time. That's definitely my own classic cook. The classic. Can make blue wash. Yeah. We find out. Going to call space. Then we take English into one language, English outside. Okay, so the file discussion. Alright, that's it. Okay. Just okay. Just take them. And now my concept. Because I have my concept in English. Okay. And enjoy. Thank you. Goodbye. I cook.